Welcome back to Enlightened Trading. I'm your host, Conrad, and today we have another look at the crypto market. I actually wanted to upload something about the stock market, but I think that will be coming later. So jumping into it, this is my TradingView page. Go check it out. I just posted recently this chart mentioning this descending channel with these two trend lines and channel line. So you can see what happened now. We moved lower, touched it perfectly actually, very interesting, and then moved higher and actually now broke this trend line. So it will be very important what happens now. So stay tuned along this video. And make sure you leave a like down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for any future uploads. Of course, also please go to my Instagram page at EnlightenedTrading. Leave a like, follow me over there for some funny content along the way. So jumping into it, this is my video from yesterday. Make sure you check it out as well. I talked about this bounce today and why it is pretty likely actually, and now we got it. So here it is, watch out for Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin analysis. So this is the price, and as I said, we now moved higher above this prior high around $7,000, and are now back again at this high around 7,150. So, and we are now holding actually above this trend line, which is very nice here on a 4-hour time frame on Bitcoin. I don't think this will be of significance. This was a nice bounce, but actually what is pretty interesting is that on daily we now have a bullish engulfing candle, which is a bullish sign, of course, a positive sign for price, and are now above the prior day's high. So this is almost a higher high on the daily. We still need confirmation, but what is very interesting that here now on a 3-day, I talked about it, we had this 9 sell, which then actually moved into a 9 neutral, and as you can see, this is a 9 neutral, similar to what happened right here, and not to what happened right here with this 9 buy, for example. So we had this 9 buy here down under. We went into the countdown phase to the next 9, and now we had it. So this is pretty bullish in my opinion, that we moved higher and had the consolidation prior to the candle and not past it, which usually sends the price down. If I found, as you can see here, we top on this 9 sell here of the countdown phase, TD sequential, and then we have the correction. But what is pretty different here is that we had the correction prior and then now bouncing on the candle. So this is pretty bullish in my opinion. If we actually move above 7,500, then this becomes a very bullish trade, because this will then be a green 2 above the green 1. So that's that for Bitcoin in the short term. And yeah, on a 4-hour time frame, as I said, we are now holding above resistance, which most likely will now become support. We can drop a little bit down, but that is a-okay for now. We are though consolidating very nicely here in this range. No, that is not what I wanted to do. Come back. Thank you very much. So, but what is more interesting actually is Ethereum. Ethereum played this actually much better than Bitcoin did. And you can see this very clear structure here of this descending channel, touching it multiple times, wicking once again down under, almost hitting it, and then also having a small bull flag before the huge move to the upside, and is now consolidating very clearly. So this is pretty bullish. I do like Ethereum very much. It's even cleaner than Bitcoin is. And you can see why we had this very clear ascending triangle, even clearer than Bitcoin, and have now touched it. I mean, almost perfectly. You can draw it a bit up, then we touched it perfectly, but we wigged down under. So I do like this very much. If you get a green 2 above a green 1 tomorrow, then this will also be bullish. I'm already in a trade, so I won't rush into one yet. I mean, I won't add to it yet, but if we consolidate even longer, or move down a bit down, then I'm pretty positive and bullish in the short term, especially if we move above $176. Then this will become a new higher high on the daily time frame, and this is then confirmation that we move higher. Of course, that has to happen in sync with Bitcoin. So that's actually it for today's video. This is just a short update, but a very important one. Hope you didn't miss yesterday's video. If you did, make sure you check it out. As I said here, watch out for Bitcoin and Ethereum. My theory played out very nice. So that's that. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys and girls, you people, back next time. Bye.